So spring is here. I feel it. I feel it. Spring is here. Let's get into it. I'm going to go in with the spring palette. This is what I call the spring palette. This is the Spectrum palette from Profusion. Love, love, love their palettes. I'm going to be taking this pink shade. It's like a pink and purple shade. I will have the names, all names listed as I tell you guys what shade I'm currently going to use. So I'm going to have the purple with a purple and pink shade. And I'm going to apply starting from the bridge of the nose halfway up towards the arch of the brow, because the next part of the brow and the next part of the eye we're going to be applying a blue shade, and it's gonna like come together and bring like a little bit of a purple in between. These type of shades together work amazing together. It works amazing. So we're going to be applying those two shades into the crease, above the brow, and then onto the crease. I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow from the palette. Once we take the black eyeshadow from the palette, we're going to make sure we use enough space to where we can carve out the crease. And when we're carving out the crease, we're going to make sure that we're going to use enough to where we can actually see the black. And then when we see the black, we're going to use some concealer to kind of clean up, because we're going to do a cut crease with this look as well. As you guys can see, I am using a concealer. This is the LA Colors Concealer and Sealer in Deep. One of my favorite colors. One of my favorite concealers to choose from, and to also use. Like, look at that cut. That freaking cut is everything. Look, slice, period, boom, slay, pat, pat, pat. That's how you do it. So extra. Then after that, I did set it, and I'm gonna go back in and apply some shades that I kind of like got rid of. I just had to, because it's kind of overdid it with the cutting the crease. So I'm going to take the Matcha palette from LA Colors. This is a cute little palette, y'all. I'm going to take this light green eyeshadow from the palette. Y'all, I'm going to get some better lighting, because this yellow, I was trying to do extra. I said it's spring, so let's kind of like be extra by putting the yellow backdrop in my lighting. I know, don't come for me. So as you can see, I did like a light green. I applied it to the eyes. I love it. Look at that green. It's so cute. Yes. So I applied it to the eyes. And then I'm going to apply like a shimmery green. And then I'm going to apply another. Guys, this look is everything. Fierce. And then I connected it all the way to the outer V. Once I connect everything to the outer V, I'm going to apply lashes. And that completes the look.